Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how I made this moon surface pendant. First, cut out a piece of wax from a candle. Make sure you have enough silver for the size you need. Get a rotary tool with a round head diamond point bit and start drilling round holes on the face surface of the wax. Change the head of the rotary to a smaller round head diamond point bit and start drilling smaller holes on the same face surface. Once you got to the surface you like, we start the next step. The combination of plaster and water is 1 scoop water to 1 scoop plaster. Mix and stir for 1 minute. Then leave the plaster for 5 minutes. Push the drilled surface of the wax into the plaster. If you don't know how deep the wax goes into the plaster, make a mark on the wax using a sharp object. Then push the wax into the plaster until you see the plaster touching the mark you made. I usually leave the plaster out for 1 day. Once the plaster is dried, melt out the wax using a torch. Make sure you have water around you. Always wear thick safety glove. Since my glove was stolen by squirrels, I'll have to be careful what I touch. Put the silver into the hole from where the wax was melted from. Make sure you have extra silver just in case once the silver is melted and there wasn't enough, you can put more in. Face the flame toward the silver until the silver turn into a liquid bubble. Because silver cools down quick, even if it turn into a liquid bubble, you will need to heat the silver for a few more minutes. Let the silver sit for 5 minutes. Spray water on the silver to make sure it's cold enough to touch. Smash the plaster and rinse the silver. Use the green part of the sponge to scrub the silver. Use a 1 out of 16 drill bit to drill a hole. Make sure you don't touch the silver while you are drilling. The silver will get extremely hot. Since I don't have a silver jump ring, I used a regular screw washer. Thank you for watching this video. Your views support me.